Right now, there's a wave of people selling courses on how to start your own AI agency, or on people how to teach you how to use AI, or they sell different AI services, but they never ever used it in practice. They don't run their own agencies. They never made numbers with it. They don't know what the fuck they're doing. They just sell AI because AI is trendy right now. I actually run two companies, and the companies run half on AI. I got my marketing agency, Camouflage Media, and I got Orbit CRM, a niche specific CRM and automation platform heavily supported by AI. And I comfortably can tell you that most of the people who are out there promoting AI don't know shit what they're talking about. Because although I knew a lot with all the years right now that we are in and that we practiced the stuff and brought it to clients and helped our clients with it, we learned way more. The practice ain't got shit on the theory. As simple as that. Most of the clients, they're not tech savvy themselves. They don't want to do the hard work. They want it done. And they just want a solution for their pain points. They don't care if that's AI. They all just flock to AI because they'd be like, oh, AI is so cheap. Like, I don't have to hire any people. AI is not that cheap. And also, AI cannot deliver the results that some humans can. I'm not saying AI is bad. Not at all. We use it every day. I use it every day because I'm, like most of the people, lazy. So we also tried everything. What every guru's saying and what all the super AI experts telling you, oh, just do this, just do that. No, that does not work. If you turn off your brain and bring no creativity and nothing on the table, AI will not magically execute your social media and your marketing game or whatever you want to use it for and will solve all your problems. AI is great for research. AI is great, semi great, when it comes to creating content. Because if you don't put the right input into the AI, you won't get the result that will make you happy. Done. I'm right here. Challenge me. Tell me what's going on. I always say AI is good for people who don't know shit about anything. Like, for example, you need marketing campaigns you don't know shit about, and you also don't have any, how to say it in English, you don't have any standards that you want the content to be. Then AI is great for you because whatever it will produce is better than whatever you would have done. Let's be honest, because you would have done nothing. So that is good. Or AI is good for people like us or other experts, like real experts who use it every day and can properly tell AI what the fuck they want so AI spits out the best content possible. So for people like us, it saves time. For people right here who don't know shit, it saves money because they don't have to hire anybody and they're happy with whatever result they get. Everybody in between will suffer because you have some kind of standards. You semi know what you want, what direction, but you won't get the results out of it because you're not an expert, because you don't know how to talk to them. You will get good results out of it, but then you spend so much time, you could have hired someone at the first place. But I'm losing track here. Let's get back to the topic. When we first started building automation systems, the client actually didn't care if it's an AI chatbot, if it's a, I don't know, answer-based multiple choice chatbot, or if it's some midget in a closet sitting right there and answering phone calls or giving, like doing cold calls. They don't care. A client only has problems and they want solutions. If the AI is always the best solution, I doubt it. As I said, we working with AI all the time. Just last week, because we tried on different social media channels that we had, AI generated content, AI generated captions, this, that, and the other. With one of our channels, I was totally not happy. And I told AI, please to fix it. Guess what AI told me? AI gave me script ideas, blah, blah, blah. And one of the biggest notes AI said was, please write the captions by yourself, because no AI slop. Meanwhile, people get sensitive. They feel if your content is AI. They see it. It's obvious in a lot of cases. So the same stuff goes for captions. So even AI told me, please don't use me or don't use the other AI that you use to write your captions. Write it yourself. Make it as human as possible. Make people feel that the content is original. And yes, you probably can train an AI model to be more human. Not probably, you can. But even AI tells you, meanwhile, that AI is not all of that. And still, so many people, oh, AI. Do you do AI? We just had the conversation with another client the other day. I told him what our company can do for their company. And it was like, oh, it's also AI. Yes, yes. Like, you can create content in our CRM. You can write captions in our CRM with AI. You can do so much stuff. You can just tell AI, please generate this contact. Please check how many leads we have, or like what's the lead value in the committed section of our pipeline, etc., etc. So AI is heavy involved, but I'm just saying it's not the solution for everything. My opinion, research, great. Content, depending on what exactly do you want. If you have no creative idea at all, outcome will be shit. Guarantee. Outcome will be shit. If you have a creative mind, or if you have a marketing team and they feed the AI with whatever should come out, might also be great. If you want AI to assist you on brainstorming, etc., also great. But if you want AI to do everything, I tell you, please don't do it. We tried on YouTube, we tried on TikTok, we tried on Instagram, Facebook. We actually tried on pretty much every social media platform. And stupid podcasts, but human, original, authentic videos where we just talk shit, crushed all the AI content. So please don't fall for all these super AI gurus. Oh, we can do everything we can do. Yes, you can. But the results that come out of it, no. And now before all the kids jump in the comments, be like, oh yeah, I have a faceless Instagram account. Yes, but you don't do any business. You are wanking off in your bedroom and you feel special because you have 500,000 followers on some dumb shit, and still no one knows who the fuck you are, and you still don't really do any money. So even if you do, it's not really money, and you don't do business. If tomorrow the algorithm changes or a different social media platform pops up and Instagram goes down, you done as well. Now, with that being said, we make a little excursion into general marketing. That's why everybody tells you, and this is very, very true, you have to collect email addresses from your clients or from your leads so that you can talk to them even if social media breaks down tomorrow. I guess the essence of this video is use AI wisely, but don't expect it. Do not, I repeat, do not expect it to solve all your problems and magically bring your business, bring your marketing, bring your automations on the next level. You can automate the shit out of your process. If you don't get any traffic on your website, on your social media, if you don't get any leads in, it doesn't help you. If you don't know how to break the algorithm, break your content, and bring it in front of more eyes than you have right now, depending on your niche. But my experience with most of our clients, I will tell you, AI won't help you with that either. It still can help, but if you don't have if you rely on just make me content, Khalas. That will not work. Repeat after me. That will not work. So please, please, I just mean it good for you. Like it's your business, right? So please still hire someone or put at least a little brain energy into your marketing and into whatever you want to do. So as I said, if you don't get enough eyes on your content and on your product into your funnel, you won't have any necessity to automate the stuff on the back end. With that being said, if you need any help, book a free consultation call with myself. I can tell you how we can help you, or I just tell you how somebody else can help you. I will break down your business. I will break down how your marketing looks like, what we can do for you when we automate stuff in the background with our CRM system. As I said, it's totally free. Don't worry about anything. We just have a little 30-minute chit chat about your company and your business. Please like the video, subscribe, comment, and book a call.